Is it the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Marathon Patent. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 30th, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 14, 2023, our system has ranked Marathon Patent as a buy candidate with a score of 2.24. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 30.53% since we first listed Marathon Patent as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This means you could have earned an average return of 2.54% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This could present a selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is expected. If the stock breaks above the top trend line at $12.40, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.09% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period could range from -36.33% to 5.79%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 39.93% change expected over the next year. The potential return during this period could range from -2.78% to 154.03%. This means that the stock price could be between $11.64 and $30.41 after a year. Our latest update on Marathon Patent brings you the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Marathon Patent. On Thursday, November 30th, 2023, the Marathon Patent stock price experienced a decline of -3.47%, dropping from $12.40 to $11.97. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.37%, reaching a low of $11.91 and a high of $12.43. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 6 instances and has shown an overall increase of 16.89% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which is considered a positive sign as volume should align with the stock's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -13 million shares on the last day, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $348.72 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $19.88, while the lowest price was $3.11. Currently, the stock price is 39.77% or $7.91 below the 52-week high, and it stands at 85.66% or $71.48 below the all-time high achieved on November 9, 2021, when it reached $83.45. Analyst ratings. Recently, there have been some updates on the ratings for Marathon Patent Group, also known as MARA. On September 23, 2022, BTIG downgraded MARA and gave it a neutral grade. On August 11, 2022, Jefferies rated MARA as a buy with a hold action. On July 12, 2022, B. Riley Securities gave MARA a neutral grade with a hold action. On June 24, 2022, Cowen and Company initiated a market perform grade for MARA. On June 3, 2022, BTIG rated MARA as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Marathon Patent stock a general buy rating. They believe the PE ratio is a strong buy and the price to book is also a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. Today, we will be discussing the signals for Marathon Patent stock. Marathon Patent stock is showing promising signs, as both the short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a positive forecast. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of corrections, the stock can find support at $11.52 and $9.50. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On the positive side, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which might influence the near-term development of the stock. One such signal was a sell signal issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, resulting in a minus 3.47% fall in the stock price. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. However, it's worth mentioning that the volume of trades fell together with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals to help you with your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provide valuable insights, as they gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 14 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 28 days ago. It's also important to consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, which indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we find that the short moving average gave a sell signal 17 days ago. On the contrary, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Marathon Patent. To begin, let's discuss the downside. Currently, there is support just below the stock's current level. The accumulated volume shows support at $10.24 and $9.76. However, it's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may potentially fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support at $10.24 is broken, the next support will be found at $9.76 and $9.23. Moving on to volatility, it's worth mentioning that this stock has the potential to experience significant fluctuations during the day. This makes it a high-risk stock. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for Marathon Patent. Looking at recent data, we can see that within the last day, the stock had a price movement of $0.520 between its high and low points, which translates to a 4.37% change. Furthermore, over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.35%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us understand the relationship between a company's current share price and its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company has negative earnings or is currently facing financial losses. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to experience downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on March 21, 2024. Analysts have provided a consensus estimate of $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $12. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, if the stock experiences a downward movement, the first support level to keep in mind is at $10.24. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Marathon Patent has an average buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael bought 0 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael purchased 143,141 shares of restricted stock units. On November 10, 2023, Crawford James sold 147,436 RSUs. On November 10, 2023, Swami ASHU acquired 136,133 shares of restricted stock units. On August 31, 2023, Swami ASHU sold 7,733 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 47.518. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,512,588 shares and sold 1,068,277 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $11.39, which represents a decrease of 4.88%. It's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means there is a higher level of risk involved. We have identified a sell signal from a recent pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it seems that Marathon Patent stock may present a buying opportunity. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, December 1st, we anticipate Marathon Patent to open up $0.133 and begin trading at $12.10. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? Let's discuss. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for being a part of our Stock Invest community.